Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the difference between two words, in and into, without a space, in and into. These two words people use interchangeably without realizing that they are very different from each other. So let's understand today what's the difference between these two words. Let's start with in. In. A very small word with only 2 letters. What does it mean? Right now in this video I'm only talking about the difference between these two words. These two words have various other uses also, but I am going to focus only on the difference. So in. When we are trying to tell the position of someone in comparison to a bigger area, we use in. Ooh, definition. Let's simplify it. Okay, where is he? He is in the kitchen. So where is he? He is one person. His position in comparison to a bigger area. So where is he? He is in the kitchen. Got it? Where am I? I am in my room. So, in means, I already told you, in means position of someone in comparison to a bigger area. Fine. Now into. Into refers to a movement of going inside something. It refers to movement. Mark my word, movement. So now what's the difference? In means already someone is inside something. Already the person is there, or the thing is there, or was there in the past. Already it was there. Already it is there. And into means entering. Right now the person or the thing is not inside that particular thing or room or place. Now he or she is entering. Now that thing is entering. For example, Ram is in the kitchen. Where is Ram? Ram is going into the kitchen. In the kitchen, already there. Into the kitchen, going there. Okay, now he jumps, or he is jumping in the river. He is jumping in the river means already the person is inside the river and he is enjoying jumping. Okay. Or the baby is jumping in the bathtub. Baby is enjoying in the bathtub. Already there. Baby is jumping into the bathtub. Right now baby is outside. Now the baby is about to jump. Oh, please go and hold that baby. So into means the baby is now entering. And here it means that baby is already inside. This is a huge difference. If you will write, for example, the person, that person, he is jumping into the river. Many people will come and say, oh my God, what is he about to do? Means he is entering, he is jumping into. But if you are saying the person is jumping in the river, the people will understand, oh wow, he is enjoying in the river, already inside. I hope now you got the difference between these two words. So this is Anushree signing off. Thank you.